Let's take a look at the Kindle Fire's exterior. We'll start with the multi-touch Gorilla Glass IPS display on the front. Gorilla Glass is the technology that makes displays thinner, lighter, and much more damage resistant, which makes it excellent for mobile devices. And it's also made by Corning Glass. It also has the IPS display, which is used to offer excellent viewing angles and bright colors, which leads to an incredible display at a 1024 by 600 resolution. Makes great if somebody's looking over your shoulder or two people are trying to watch something at the same time. There are no hardware buttons on the front or any logos to indicate that one way should be top. Okay. There is an ambient light sensor located or hidden in the top left here that you can hardly see. Okay. The sides are very smooth and absent of any buttons or slots, such as a dedicated volume rocker, which actually is absent from the device completely. Okay. If we look at the top, we can see two stereo speaker slots for the top-mounted audio, which they actually offer pretty good volume. The back of the display is a smooth rubber coating texture that we see the same, very similar to what's on the Droid Incredible. It makes great for gripping. It's kind of a non-slip surface. Okay. The bottom is where the interesting things are. It has a 3.5 millimeter jack, standard headphone connection. In the middle we have the micro USB port for connecting to a computer and for charging. And finally we have the power button at the end. Okay. In my opinion, the power button offers a design flaw where if you are reading it and you bump it on your lap or in your backpack, it can accidentally turn on. But if you are reading it or doing something and you accidentally bump the bottom, the display will accidentally turn off on you as well. So hopefully that button in a future version can be recessed or located differently to prevent the accidental bumps. I'm kind of surprised so far we haven't heard much about that, but the Kindle really has only been released about a week at this point, so I'm sure we'll hear more about that as well. And that is the assessment of the exterior of the Amazon Kindle Fire.